How do we calculate the circumference of a circle? We have learned that the ratio of the circumference to the diameter of a circle is always a constant called pi. From this relationship, the circumference of a circle can be calculated by multiplying pi by the diameter. Also, the diameter of a circle is 2 times the radius. So, in this case where we have a circle of radius 5 centimeters, the diameter of that circle is 5 times 2 centimeters. So the diameter is 10 centimeters. That said, the circumference of the circle will be pi times 10 centimeters is 10 pi centimeters. Now, this is considered the exact value of the circumference because the value is given in terms of pi. But pi has not been replaced by 3.14 in this calculation, and so this calculation is considered to be the exact value for the circumference. Now, it also says that find the approximate measure of the circumference. Now, circumference again is pi times diameter. Now, when we use pi as 3.14, 3.14 is an approximate value for pi. So that means the circumference here is approximated to be 3.14 times 10 centimeters. So this circumference here is an approximate value of 31.4 centimeters. So this is considered, the answer that is given in terms of pi is considered to be the exact value for the circumference just because it has been given in terms of pi, and the answer that in which pi has been replaced as 3.14. 3.14 is not the exact value for pi. It is an approximation of the value for pi. So this right here, we have an equal to sign right here because 3.14 is an approximate value for pi. This cannot be a solid equal to sign. So we have to use the approximately equal to sign right there, and we also use the approximately equal to sign here. So this is the approximate measure of the circumference of the circle because pi has been replaced with 3.14, and this is the exact measure of the circle. Note that this symbol here means approximately equal to. And that is how we calculate the circumference of a circle when we have the radius. How do we calculate the circumference of a circle when we know the diameter? That is more straightforward than that of the radius. So circumference is pi times diameter. So the circumference of this circle will be, the diameter of the circle is 30 inches, so the circumference will be pi times 30 inches. And that circumference is 30 pi inches. Now, remember that if we leave our answer in terms of pi, then this is considered the exact value for the circumference. We could also get the approximate value for the circumference, So when we replace pi with 3.14, we get the approximate value for the circumference. We know that circumference is equal to pi times diameter, but now if say the circumference is approximately equal to 3.14 times the diameter of 30. And so the circumference is approximately equal to 94.2 centimeters.